oh no, that look of shock and awe in that split second. Man, I was filming for y'all for the me doing donuts, and the drone I was getting aerial footage of me doing donuts, and the drone crashed into my car. It said IMF calibration right before it crashed. Man, I'm like really mad. On top of that, it started raining, my drone got wet. This was not even my fault. I had it on trace mode. How does it crash into my car? DJI on the Mavic Air 2. Like, what's going on, bro? Hopefully it's not messed up. I'm kind of pissed. This is only my third day, and it's not due to like a user setting. I had all the autofocus, the auto sensors and all that stuff turned on. I didn't hack my drone to do no crazy stuff like that. I didn't do anything. I simply put it on the trace. It was a big and open parking lot. No, it didn't hit no building or light pole like that. It hit my actual car. And then I put it in trace mode, and it just went. I look up and I'm like, dang, it's kind of close, and right then I know, doosh. Man, y'all see, I'm gonna post a video. This is crazy, man. Seriously, man. Like I know I got the DJI refresh, whatever, that gives you 2 accidental, but this wasn't even my fault, so I don't even feel I should be penalized for it. So, yeah. Alright, but I just flew the Mavic Air 2 again, and it's flying correctly. It seems like it's a little bit off because the precision air wasn't working or something like that. I don't know if I turned it off by mistake, but I'll check when I get home. But yeah, I'm not as mad as I was because it is working properly, but it does have these black screech marks from when it fell and hit the car. I'm really upset about that. Like, man, I don't want to return it and have it fixed because I just got the drone. I want to shoot some cool footage. That's what I tried to do today with my car, my Mustang. But man, that stuff made me angry. I was like, oh no, that look of shock and awe in that split second. And then when it fell, I was like, I just heard doop. Man, you know, it was already not living up to the expectation because it said it can go 6 miles, and it's not being able to go 6 miles. Every time it gets around like 3,000 feet, it's not even able to go a mile away without the signal just saying a weak signal. So I'm like, this is not even a mile away. It says it can go 6 miles with the new Oculus or Sync, whatever. I'm like, this is not even a mile. I don't know if I just have bad interference. I'm gonna try driving out to the country somewhere and see. So, but I am happy about the fact that after taking a rough hit like that, flying at about 20 miles an hour in my car, it still works and everything. So I hope everything is still good. So we'll see when I check when I get home.